Right?
No, he's an asshole.
Get the bucket. Get the bucket.
Someone farted on him. Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh shit.
What? Who's fighting with you? What are you guys doing?
We're just playing, we're not really doing anything.
He doesn't look like he's playing.
He tripped over that, that's why. And then Jessica, or he fell on top of Jessica.
You tripped on that? Okay. You guys need to settle down. Whatever you're doing, stop it right now.
Yeah, I was just kidding.
No, whatever was going on, I don't know who was doing it, but stop it right now. Out. Everybody out.
Alright.